I don't know what I got right here, but it's big. Oh, please stay on, please stay on, please stay on, please stay on. Please stay on. Oh my goodness. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Water Rat Lyle here. Right now I'm walking down this railroad tracks, going to this trestle overpass thingamajig. Gotta go through the woods and stuff, but excuse me. Today we're going to try to target carp. They're a lot of fun to catch. So I've caught them down here before. I've caught channel cat, crappie, bluegill, stuff like that. So we got corn, nightcrawler. Sorry, I'm trying to watch so I don't trip over the railroad ties or anything. But I got some corn, nightcrawler, jig heads, different lures, crappie stuff, and I got 3 poles out. So we're going to go down through this mess. We're going to go down, get down through this mess, and I'll see you on the other side of this. The water is right over here, if you can see that because of the sun, but see you in a second. All right, guys, take you guys with me through this fiasco. Spider web. It's going to be dark here soon, so we don't have really a lot of time. Trying to make the best of it here and see where this leads to. Hopefully it leads out to the open pocket. I haven't been down here in a few years, on this side of the creek anyway. Probably about 6 or so years, but go through all that. So go through all that, come through here to get to this little piece of heaven right here. And looks like it's up. Of course, we had a crap ton of rain. Yeah, it's up. Daggone it. It's way up. There's some deer prints. Normally, a big old tree that's never been there before. Normally, this is all dry. So this is where I normally am fish out through here. It's a pretty cool pool area. A lot of rapids coming up. So let's get to it. So what we're going to do here, a handful of corn, let's toss it out there. Then I got this set up. These are like 6 pieces, 5 pieces on my hook. That's a number 2 eagle claw plain shank hook. Anyway, I got 3 decent sized split shots because this water is moving pretty hard. So I'm going to try to cast over this and get into that calmer stuff over there, and hopefully we can get something. Cut the tree, so take 2 here in a second. I barely threw that thing too, but I forgot there was a lot of weight on it. All right, that's perfect. Then I cleared out this little area, landing area. So, see what happens. Loosen up our drag a little bit. A lot of bit. There's freaking snag central over here, daggone it. Oh, there goes that one. This might be a battle today, folks. So, redo this. Hopefully this will be worth it. Let's just cast. Maybe. Right here. All right. So we'll set our pole up right there. Actually, we'll set it up through here. That'll be good. Right there. Perfect. Hopefully. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna throw this a little bit. Got this 1/8 ounce jig head with the pink and a white tail. We might be going somewhere else, folks. I know we had a lot of rain this past weekend, but I didn't think I thought it'd be calmed down by now. I was wrong. Man, this is running hard. Might have to go upstream some. Come back to this spot later. Oh, got my first catch. Stick. The old stick fish. I'm gonna go underneath this. Okay, that's good. Might as well. Might be sitting in this little. Oh, that's hitting rocks. Thought it was a fish for a second. That'd have been sweet. Ah, I crossed my line, idiot. Might put a bigger jig head on here maybe, but probably just gonna cancel this trip for today. Go to the other side. So I'll see you, well, you can't see it, but it's up there rapids. We got to drive to the other spot, but hopefully it's a little bit calmer down there. Well, up there. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, I went to my second spot, but they had soccer practice or something going on over there. So I'm at my third spot. Interesting. Spot. I've caught bass and carp and stuff out of this. This is the same creek, but up further, like I said. So yeah, it's a lot calmer. So we'll do the same concept. We'll chum a little bit with corn, throw some poles out there. We can throw through. Okay, we can throw. We as in me, but we can get out a couple poles here and have plenty of room. So let's go down here. Oh. Bunch of little bait fish. Oh, this is swampy. I don't have my shoes tied. This could be interesting. Ho! Yep, like I said, this could be interesting. Jeez, oh Pete's Louise. So there's that. And it smells great. If you guys could smell this, you'd probably want to eat dinner or something right now. Like, look at the water flow back up. My whole ankle, it got above my ankles. Dope. Oh, and I'm about busting my butt right there. Golly, hopefully this is worth it. Let me get set up and I'll get back at you. All right, I was just casting around and I got this bluegill, the hammer. This little tube. So it's official fishing video right now. See you later, buddy. He went through the tail. He freaking demolished it. Hopefully that rib, I might have to change it already. Let's see how it looks like. Oh no, we'll be all right. Threw up underneath this tree. Let it drop and it freaking hammered it. Waiting for the, I got two poles out right here. Both Never Give Up, Mike Iaconelli rod and reel combos, Abu Garcia. And then this one is Bass Pro brand, Lady Light. Pretty fragile rod. Oh crap, there's something on there. Yep, he took my freaking, time to get a new one. I don't know what I got right here, but it's big. Oh, please stay on, please stay on, please stay on, please stay on. Please stay on. Oh my goodness. I don't know if he ate it though. Oh snap. Please stay on, please stay on, please stay on. What is this? Please stay on. Oh, okay. Looked like a carp. I don't think he ate this tube. Oh goodness. I don't think he ate the tube. I hope he did though. Stay on my other lines. Light tackle. I think I got like, I think it's 12-pound test on here, so just easy. I just cast it up underneath that tree and get the, oh, he got my other line. I know. Let's try to get him over this. Oh, he did eat it. No way. Oh my gosh. This is the first ever for me. Let me get, well, I should not talk so soon. He ate that mother sucker. That's freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. Please stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on. Old lady light strikes again. I think I do got my he ate it. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awesome. Get in there. Got it. Look at this. Oh, stay still. It's in his mouth. I'm gonna make sure my camera's on. It's in his mouth. Not snagged. Pink jig head. I guess he thought it was, oh, he's beat up. With the knots all over his head and all over the side of his body. But it's in his mouth. Oh my gosh, dude, that's freaking awesome. Look at that. Little jig head, little hook. Slimy boogers. They don't have no teeth or anything, it's just a bottom feeder. But I guess, all right, I got you, I got you. Hold still. Look at that. He's got a big old knot on his head. Something, you ran into something, buddy. Hopefully you're all right. He's probably about 2-pounder, pound and a halfer. But I'm gonna rinse him off real quick. And I'm gonna switch to my phone camera. I know. All right, guys. There it is. Off of a crappie jig. That's crazy. Never in my life. I used to fish for these all the time. They're so much fun. Just this little one right here. I mean, you've seen the video how powerful they are. It's awesome. Let's let them go. Come on, buddy. There he goes. That's awesome. I'll try to get him real quick. I think I got another carp on corn this time. This thing freaking jetted off. Oh my goodness, stay on there please. I'll tighten this up a little bit. Oh man, this turned out to be a great day to go fishing. Oh yeah, nice little carp. Looks like an identical carbon copy of the last one I caught. Let me get this net real quick. Oh. Come here. He took it up. Ah, crap. Come here. You ain't done yet. Oh, get in here. Got him. I'm not going to put him on the other camera, but you see the hook set. Well, maybe. He's bleeding, but we'll get him back in real quick. Oh, now knock it off. Come here. Let me get the hook out of you. Maybe. There it goes. Okay. He's a little bit smaller than the last one. There you guys go. Let him go right here real quick. There he goes. Oh, another little bluegill. I just went back to the, oh no, it's baby crappie. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. That is perfect for bait. I don't know if we're allowed using them here or not, but little baby crappie. He's no bigger than my freaking hand. I thought it was a little bluegill. There you go. See you later, buddy. We got another one. Oh, that's a good one. Come on in here, big fella. Oh, stay on. I thought he just got off. This one feels like a lot bigger. Come on, big guy. Oh, he got me under a freaking... Get out of there. Oh, he came off. Daggone it. Oh, he broke off. No, he didn't. Yeah, he broke off. He got me underneath that freaking tree log. Man. Well, let's get another hook. Get another hook and get back out there. Look at this. Oh, get out of there, please. Oh my gosh, please get out of there. I literally just had this in there for... Look, he's all the way over there on the other side of the bridge. I don't know. This is probably a carp. Come on, give me ground. Don't go over to the tree, please. No, 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 no. Thank you. Swim away from that thing. Let me gain some ground. He took this thing and smoked it. This is freaking awesome. Look at the clouds coming off the water. It's beautiful. I love being outside and fish. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, stay to your right, buddy. Stay to your right. Thank you. Stay to your right. Oh yeah, this feels like a bigger one. Hopefully he's got a hook in his mouth. So I give him a hook back and get revenge on my fish. Come on. It almost looked like a channel cat tail. Nope, it's a carp. This is so much fun. You gotta try it. Yep, he took it and ran with it. Oh, he's bigger than the other ones. Oh, come on, big guy. I'll get you. There we go. Smoked it. Oh, yeah. Right in the mouth. Yeah, yeah. Oh, she's full of eggs. Big old eggs on her. Set up the other camera real quick. All right. Hopefully you guys can see this. Another good carp. This is the biggest one of the day. He's bleeding a little bit, but she's full of eggs. Right, look at the belly right here. So we'll get her back in the water. This is awesome. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. If you not target carp or anything like that, catch them on accident, go out and target them. They're a lot of fun. Light tackle. Like I said, I think I got 8-pound test. I'll have to check it when I get to the house, but 8-pound test, carp, #2 hook. It's a lot of fun. We're gonna let them go. There you go. Right off to the sunset. Awesome. Love it. That would suck if he goes down there and gets some corn on my hook. Oh, goodness. Oh, he's getting out of the water now. The big old fat boy. Dang, he's freaking huge, dude. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Caught a few carp, couple crappie, a bluegill, so seen a beaver, a huge beaver. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see from this channel. I'll see you on the next one.